Hello guys, welcome to Collective Love Reading. So collective ito, wala tayong specific zodiac sign. Ang importante yung reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi ka makarelate, hindi ka makaresonate, huwag pilitin. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Okay, let's start. This is for collectives. Kapalaran sa pag-ibig. One last shuffle. Main energy, 4 of coins and the Queen of coins. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Temperance. I can see someone with braces. Okay lang kahit hindi, but some of you pwedeng meron. Anyway, I can see you being perfect actually. Pagdating sa stability, you can be a very stable person. Diba? When it comes to money, pwedeng yung the way you speak, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, yung talent mo nagagamit mo. Maybe you are good at singing, nagagamit mo yon, pinagkakitaan mo yon. Or maybe magaling ka magsalita. Some of you, basta yung nakikita natin is yung pagsasalita mo, pag once na binuka mo yung bibig mo, may pera. You know, some of you, pwedeng ang career, hindi, yung iba pwedeng career mismo, or yung iba sideline, pwedeng ganun. Talagang yung pag nagsalita ka, may kasamang pera yun, parang ganun. And, yeah, especially for someone na maybe a teacher, yan, or may mga deal or projects wherein kailangan mo talagang ibuka yung bibig mo to, kasi yung iba kasi, di ba, they're earning through their hard work, pero ikaw maaaring more on dahil sa pagsasalita, or yeah, if you do have a talent in singing, pwedeng ganun, pwedeng yun yung pinagkakitaan mo. And because of that, ito yung nagbibigay ng stability sa'yo with the Queen of Coins. The Temperance is here, Sagittarius energy. So, I'm also seeing a person na pwedeng feeling mo parang mahaba na yung buhok mo, or medyo mahaba na yung buhok mo. I don't know. This could be a reading. Okay lang kahit hindi. So, yeah. Anyway, kunin natin yung energy ng person na kakanek mo. For collectives, please. For collectives. For collectives. You do have your Two of Cups. The Magician and the Empress. Okay. Bottom of the deck is the Three of Swords. Okay. I'm seeing a relationship here with the Two of Cups and the Magician and the Empress. You could be dealing with a person na pwedeng may karelasyon na iba, kasi I don't feel any relationship sa inyong dalawa, but rather relationship sa kanya. Pero kahit siya ay nasa isang relationship, this person nakikita kanya as the Empress and the Magician. So maaaring nakikita kanya as ang nakamangha-mangha, magaling. Maybe alam niya yung mga skills mo, talents mo, and lahat ng beauty about, what you are doing right now, nakikita niya lahat yan. And I feel like this person really do admires you, ina-admire ka niya. But the Three of Swords, maaaring nasasaktan siya because of the current relationship or connection na meron siya ngayon, and might be ito na nagiging number one reason kung bakit hindi siya makagawa ng movement. Kung merong movement, nakikita natin with the Magician, patago eh. So, anong emosyon ninyo sa isa't isa? For collectives, please. Anong emosyon ninyo para sa isa't isa? Hindi to para sa lahat, guys. Ulitin ko lang. Emosyon ninyo ng person na ito para sa isa't isa. Spirit guides, angel guides for the sign of collectives. The Sun. Oh, wow. You're happy. Judgment is here. Masaya ka. Yung iba sa inyo, lalo na kung spiritually awakened ka na tao, or marami kang alam na sa usaping spiritual, sa ngayon, masaya ka na lang. You're just enjoying what you have. You're just concentrating dito sa 9 of Coins, which is money. If you do have problems sa money, nakikita natin malapit mo na masolusyonan or maayos ito with the 2 of Coins. Lalo na kasi na may mga partner ka or may mga tao sa paligid mo na nakakatulong para maayos mo kung ano man yung mga financial problem mo. You are the King of Coins, so financially talaga marami kang kayang i-offer at marami kang kayang ipagyabang, sabihin na natin ganan. Pero yeah, you're just enjoying your life right now with the Sun. So anong emotion ng taong ito for you, for the sign of collectives? Anong emosyon niya para sa'yo? For the sign of collectives, spirit guides, angel guides, for the sign of collectives. Emosyon niya para sa'yo. Spirit guides, angel guides, for the sign of collectives. Okay, Queen of Swords is here, and the Hierophant. I want to know more about this, please. Spirit guides, angel guides, please clarify what's with the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords is clarified by the Page of Coins. What's with the Hierophant? The Hierophant, 3 of Coins. So, I feel like yung emotion ng taong ito is that nagpo-focus din siya. Actually, kung ikaw ay nagpo-focus sa pera, itong taong to nagpo-focus din sa money. With the Page of Coins. And, with the Queen of Swords, I feel like pwedeng medyo mailap talaga tong taong ito sa'yo. With the Hierophant, kasi pwedeng ang ginagamit niya ngayon is yung utak niya. 3 of Coins is here, so pwedeng nahihirapan siya ngayon pagdating sa usaping financial. I don't understand kung bakit, ano bang emotion dito? Please tell me. The 4 of Cups is here. And the Chariot. So, kasi yung taong ito parang hindi siya sure. Hindi siya sure about sa connection. Hindi siya sure about sa mga nangyayari ngayon. Kaya might be may mailap or paglayo itong ginagawa itong person na to. Kasi, maybe hindi kasi siya ganun ka-spiritual na tao. And you could be dealing with a person na medyo logic yung ginagamit niyang pag-iisip. No, nandito siya sa realidad. And kung may spiritual connection sa inyo, maybe this person hindi pa siya ganun ka-awakened or hindi pa siya gising sa connection. And yeah, I can see Cancer. Although masyadong emotional itong taong ito, pwedeng hindi niya kasi na-open din sa'yo yung kanyang emotional or hindi siya gano'n na tao na mag-open ng mga emotion, etc., etc. In the future, you do have here the Emperor and the Devil. Okay. In the near future, you do have here the Nine of Swords. What's with the Nine of Swords? Queen of Cups. Six of Cups. Ace of Wands. Four of Swords, the Moon, and the King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Swords. Okay, may decision na kailangan gawain in the future. I can see with the Emperor and the Devil, I can see you having problems with regards sa iyong professional life. But the Queen of Cups is there to help you. So, maaaring magkaroon ka ng problema pero someone is going to help you, which is nagpapakita siya as the Queen of Cups, a mother or a father figure, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, and this could be a person in the past. So, kung ano man yung problema mo dito, pwede magdulot ito sa'yo ng galit, stress, pagod, ganyan, but, you know, I can see also evil eyes, so, ang daming naiinggit sa'yo, but, you know, you are protected, especially kung literal na may mga pangontra ka talagang ginagamit, like the evil eye, example yung ganito, yan, mga ganyan. Effective naman yung mga yon. So, yeah, may mga stress in the near future for you, but I can see you handling this stress kasi nakakaya mo dahil may taong tutulong sa'yo. The King of Swords is here in the Ace of Wands. I can see a new beginning dito sa person na to with the Four of Swords. Maaring, wala siyang choice kundi umalis sa kung saan man yung sitwasyon niya. Kasi, you know, it's time. Ito na yung tamang time. And the Moon, this is Pisces energy. Nakakaramdam din ako ng energy ng Scorpio, ha. But anyway, with the Moon, I don't know why it is showing to me as an eclipse. For some of you, kung ikaw ay may kakonect na twin flame, I can see an eclipse or like union sa inyong dalawa. Yan. And maybe it's because the time is here now, yung divine timing is already happening. And the Two of Swords, the usual Two of Swords talaga na nakikita ko is magkalayo yung swords, no? And maybe because the reason kung bakit naramdaman ko na dapat ito yung card na gagamitin ko is because yung Two of Swords dito is magka-cross yung swords na ginamit sa picture. Okay? So, it means it's like, for me, pwedeng may mga magkakalayo na pwedeng magkaroon ng pagmi-meet or pagtatagpo or there's a decision na magiging dahilan para itong dalawang taong ito ay magkaroon ng union or pagsasama sa huli. With the Five of Wands, medyo magiging challenging lang, medyo mahirap, pero just trust the process with the Three of Wands. Nakakita tayo ng growth sa'yo, and with another person. And with the Eight of Cups, this is the future. And in the future, the Nine of Cups is here. I feel like magiging mas at peace na ang lahat. Magkakaroon ng kaayusan. And some of you, there's union and equal give and take in the near future para sa inyo. Okay? So, with regards to those of you na may kakonect na iba, yung yung person na ito, pwedeng nandun pa rin yung connection na yun with the other person. Pero parang wala na siyang pakialam. You know, kung magagalit ito, bahala siya. Kung magselo siya, bahala siya. Basta there's something na nakikita ko nangyayari sa inyong dalawa. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.